What's going on? It's your man Big John Restoration. We got this CL550 here. This one came in all black with black rims. The customer decided there was too many black ones running around, so he asked, could we make a color up that nobody has? Sort of in like the red family. And this is the color we came up with right here. Got my young crew here. You got Nephew Gene, Young Carter, and Youngster. Another good one, fellas. Y'all see it. That's Butch, Pharrell's dad. Hey, open that door right there. We did the door jams and everything as well. All right. Big John's Restoration. Got my young crew there. A color change. Powder coated the rims gold. Made the color for the vehicle. Y'all see it. Located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Good day.